In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a check in QuickBooks online. If you're just getting started with QuickBooks or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple process step by step. So let's dive in and make your bookkeeping a breeze. To begin, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and find the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to select the QuickBooks service you are logging into. Choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. Next, you'll be asked to enter your login credentials. This includes your email address and your password. Once you've filled those in, click on Continue to gain access to your account. With the basics out of the way, the next step is to navigate to the correct section within QuickBooks Online to enter your check. Look towards the top left corner of your main dashboard and you'll notice a button labeled New. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Check. Now that you're in the appropriate section for entering a check, you'll need to add details about the transaction. The first thing to do here is to add your payee. This is the person or entity to whom the check is issued. Start typing their name, and if it's already in your system, it should appear in a drop-down list. If not, you'll be prompted to add a new payee. Moving on, you'll notice there's a field to select your bank account. You'll want to choose the specific account from which the check will be drawn. This helps QuickBooks keep an accurate record of your finances across multiple accounts, if you have them. The next step involves specifying the item or category for the check. Here you'll categorize what the check is for. For example, if it's a payment for office supplies, you would assign it to the respective category. This step ensures that your expenses are tracked accurately and that your financial reports reflect this. Once you've filled in the category, it's time to enter the amount. Carefully enter the dollar value of the check to ensure that your records and accounting are precise. Finally, with all the details filled in, it's time to complete the process. Look for the Save and Close button, usually at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will save the entry and close the window, logging the transaction into your records. And there you have it, you've successfully entered a check into QuickBooks Online. It's that simple, really. Remember, keeping your financial records up to date can help provide insight into your business financial health. Thanks for tuning in and happy bookkeeping.